Hello class 10th and 12th students. Today I will be discussing some of the important instructions which are given for MCQ first term exams which are going to be held this month. Well, it is an important instruction, so kindly follow it very properly. So let's discuss without wasting any time. See, some of the instructions are given by CBSE regarding the OMR sheet. OMR sheet I am showing you. So you will be getting this OMR sheet, answer sheet, and one question paper for answering. Question paper will be only for reading the questions, and separate OMR sheet will be there. This is a sample given by CBSE. So I am showing you the sample. You can follow it very easily from here. Your first instruction will be roll number, which will be issued by CBSE, and you have to fill in this column. Like this sample, it is filled in numbers. Then in the next column, your roll number will be displayed in words, which you have to fill it yourself like this. Then in the third one, your day and date of examination. So this will be according to your date sheet, which will be given to you. Then center number and name. Center number and name will be your center where you are going to appear for your exam, and name of that and the number of that center will be mentioned in your date sheet. Then subject code and name. This will also be mentioned in your date sheet. You can copy it from there. Then your name, candidate's name. Your name should be according to your roll number. Like this example is given, Rajesh Kumar. So you cannot write Rajesh. If it is written Rajesh Kumar in your roll number, then you have to fill the full name like this. Then your father's name, also the same criteria will be followed. Like here it is Shiv Kumar Pandey. So you should write your father's name accordingly as it is given in your roll number slip, which will be given to you by the CBSE board. Then your school code and name. Your school code and name will be your school from where you are studying your class 10th or 12th. Hope it is clear. Next, let us continue. On next side, on this right side, at the top there will be the question paper code. Question paper code will be mentioned on your question paper. That code you will be writing it here. Then after that, there are some instructions how you should mark the answers in your OMR sheet. See, some of the wrong methods are given to fill. These are the correct method to fill. Correct method to fill the OMR sheet or your answer is, like for the first question, if you want that your answer is A, you will circle this circle or darken the circle with your blue or black pen only, as blue and black pen, gel pen is only allowed in the exam. Sorry, not the gel pen. You will be using the ballpoint pen, no, not the gel pen, as the ink spreads in gel pen. So gel pens are not allowed. So kindly follow it very conveniently that only the ballpoint pens should be used, and they can be either blue or black color, not any other color. The criteria of marking the answers like this or doing any cross or doubling the answer will be wrong. So correct option should be filled very carefully. The circle should be darken it properly for your correct answer. See, this sample is given here, and in this sample, for every question there are 4 options A, B, C, D. The correct option you should circle or darken it, and another box is given here. You can mention here your option, either if for the first question you have marked this option A, like circling this, darkening this. I am showing you how to do. And if you are confident that this is A is a correct option, then you have to mention the option which you have marked here, like this, A. So you should mention A here. So this box CBSE has given, it is used for the first time as if you want to change any answer marked here, you should put the answer A, B, C or D in this given box. So this box, your option which you have marked here, for example for second you have marked B, you will mention B here. For third, if you have marked D, you will mark D, write D here. So another box is mentioned here for writing the correct option which you have chosen, either A, B, C or D. So it is compulsory by CBSE to answer this one. If you are not answering, only circling the correct option, then your answers will not be checked. So be careful that this box should be filled for each and every answer. Clear? Now here, after this, if there is a column, I confirm that all particulars are given above are correct. The same statement is to be written here. See, the instruction is given, please write above statement from your hand. So all the students are compulsorily to write this line here, and candidate has to sign accordingly here at this place. Your full signature will be there that you have answered all the questions according to your own and they are correct according to your knowledge, and you will sign here, and signature should match the same signature which you have done in the roll number slip. Then at the bottom, this column is not for you, it should be filled by the evaluator. Then total correct answers, it will be filled by the coordinator. These two columns will not be filled by you. Then these columns will also not be filled by you. This you should leave them blank. So this is how you need to fill the OMR sheet here. So I am reminding you once again the instructions for this sheet. Sample is given here for the OMR sheet. It is shown pre-filled here, and candidate has to write the question paper code at the top here in this box. Then candidate has to mention the same line here, I confirm that all particulars given above are correct, and candidate will do the signature at this point. Now only blue and black ballpoint pen will be allowed for answering or marking the answers and writing which option you have chosen for the correct one, or each and every question should be mentioned in this box and in this box. Otherwise your questions will not be checked or evaluated. Now here in this you are given, in this sample you are given 1 to 60 questions. See here, 60 questions are given. Now if you are given 45 questions, you are asked 45 questions in any of your exam, and you have to mark only 45 questions for your answers here, and if you fill the extra ones or change any question number by your own, then it will not be evaluated. So please be careful regarding this. And another instruction is, these 4 circles are given, you should dark the circle correct option and write the correct option here also. If you don't write the correct option here in these boxes, then your answers will not be evaluated. And if you are leaving any of your answer blank, so you can dark this circle for which you are leaving any of the answers. Like first answer you don't know, if you want to leave that, then you can dark this circle for showing that you have not marked this particular answer. So my suggestion would be, if you could do all the answers or mark all the answers, as there is no negative marking here, so it would be better you mark all the answers which are asked in the exam. So another instruction is that your reply, which is final, should be written in this box, otherwise the question is not to be evaluated by the examiner. Okay, now if you have not answered in these boxes, then if it is not evaluated, it means you will not get the marks for that particular question. So this time these boxes are compulsorily to be written here, that which option you have marked. So I hope you are clear with all these, and the school will also give you overview regarding the same, but beforehand I have discussed all the things which should be done for marking your answers or writing your particulars in the OMR sheet. You can take it conveniently and be confident for your exams. So I hope it is clear to you all. So all the best for your exams. Thanks a lot.